Hey everyone, in this QuickTech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to create a system restore point inside of Windows 10. This is a good idea to do every once in a while, or make sure that one is being automatically made. One of the worst things as an IT is seeing a system that gets corrupted because of an update or something, and you go to do a system restore and then you realize that there's never been one made. To do this, you can quickly get to the system protection settings by typing in the search bar, create restore point, and hitting enter. If you're like me and you want to know where the setting is located, right-click on the Start button and choose System. Next, on the right, select System Info and then Advanced System Settings. You will then get the System Properties dialog where you can choose System Protection. At the bottom is where you'll see the option to create a restore point. As you can see, and yours also might look like this, I'm unable to create one because I haven't enabled protection yet. Choose your main system drive and hit Configure. In here, choose Turn on System Protection. Next, set the amount of hard drive space that you want to set aside for system restores. As the space that you set fills up, it will automatically delete older points. You can set this to whatever you like, but I usually do around 20%. Here you see that comes out to about 22 gigs. When you're done, hit OK. Now the option to create a restore point is available. Name or give a description to your restore point and hit Create. Windows will then create the restore point for you. This should take less than a minute. When it's done, hit close and then close the System Properties dialog and you're all set. If you want to check your restore points, search again or go back to the System Protection dialog and click System Restore. You'll then see the points that you've made or the ones that have been made for you. And that's how you create system restore points inside of Windows 10. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more QuickTech how-to videos.